Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the recording and selecting tools. Load the file into your chosen ASR or transcription service and set the language pair immediately. Once uploaded, create a brief glossary of names and terms to preserve technical words. Make sure speaker labels and timestamp intervals are defined so you can track context. While the automated pass runs, scan the audio quality for noise or clipping and note segments that may need manual attention later. Once you have the ASR output, edit the transcript for accuracy and readability, correct homophones, punctuation, and remove irrelevant fillers. Then translate in short segments to maintain context, sentence by sentence or thought by thought, while checking idioms and cultural references. Use the glossary for consistency and mark uncertain phrases for review. If using machine translation, post-edit carefully. You must verify meaning, tone, and register so the translation reads naturally and matches the original intent. You finish by resyncing the translated text to the audio, exporting the file in the required format like SRT or VTT, and then performing a full quality check. Listen while reading the translation, compare segment meaning, and adjust timing so captions align. Make sure tone and terminology are consistent across the file. If things go wrong and timing mismatches or meaning drifts, re-segment the problematic audio and escalate those clips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.